Welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Palakchi patar bhaji is a very healthy and delicious Maharashtrian style curry made with spinach or palak. It can be made in two different ways, one by adding buttermilk and second by adding tamarind pulp and jaggery. So today we are going to make the second variety, one which is made by using tamarind pulp and jaggery, so it is slightly sour and sweet in taste. It is extremely delicious and can be eaten along with rice or with roti or fulka. So first let us start with the ingredients for Palakchi patar bhaji. Jaggery 2 tablespoons, gram flour or besan 1 tablespoon, split chickpea lentil or chana dal 1 tablespoon, raw peanuts 2 tablespoons, 4 to 5 curry leaves, salt by taste and tamarind pulp. Here I am using the concentrated ready-made tamarind pulp that's available in the market. If you are using it, then use 1 teaspoon. Otherwise, you can also soak about 1 tablespoon of dried tamarind in hot water for some time and then squeeze out and use that pulp. For seasoning, you will need all these ingredients. First, mustard seeds half a teaspoon, goda or Maharashtrian kala masala 2 teaspoons, cumin seeds half a teaspoon, fenugreek seeds 1/4 of a teaspoon, red chili powder by taste, turmeric powder 1/4 of a teaspoon and asafoetida or hing 1/4 of a teaspoon. Thoroughly washed spinach leaves 4 cups and oil about 3 to 4 teaspoons. First we are going to cut these spinach leaves. Make sure that you cut them really fine. Only then the patar bhaji will be nicely blended together. Now take a pot which can fit inside the pressure cooker and to this add the split chickpea lentil or chana dal and also the raw peanuts. Now to this add water, little water about 1/4 of a cup so that the peanuts and the lentil get soaked. And then add all the cut spinach leaves. Now cook this in a pressure cooker on high flame for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, reduce the heat to low and turn off the gas after 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the cooked spinach from the pressure cooker once the pressure has released, and now we are going to drain out the water, extra water which is still left inside this cooked spinach. Now keep this aside for some time and to this add the gram flour. And now mix everything nicely. Use a whisking action so that the spinach leaves get crushed and they get nicely blended with the gram flour. Now you can add back the water which we had drained and kept aside. And also add some more water to get the desired consistency. I have added about 1.5 cups of water to this. Now add jaggery, salt, red chili powder, Maharashtrian kala or goda masala, tamarind pulp. Now mix everything and let's keep it aside for some time and prepare the seasoning. Heat oil in a pot and add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, asafoetida and turmeric powder. Add curry leaves and mix everything a little bit. And now reduce the heat to low and then add the spinach mixture that we had kept ready. You can increase the flame a little bit now and add more water to adjust the consistency. Now keep turning it around intermittently and allow this to boil. Continue to boil for 2 or 3 minutes and then turn off the gas. So our delicious Maharashtrian style sweet and sour patar bhaji is ready. Enjoy it with rice or with roti and remember to post any questions or comments and also to like and subscribe. Thank you.